And what I love the most about the Newari guys, Newari culture, like they have one dance, they call it time dance, something like that. That dance is so amazing, guys. I just love it. And I also made vlog about it. You can go and check it, guys. They have very amazing culture. And I'm just going to Bhaktapur. It's not my first time. This is like my third time coming back to Bhaktapur. And you won't believe, guys, I'm coming here for one favorite food only. They call it sekua, guys. I love this food. I tried it for the first time when I came here. But now again, I'm coming back, guys. I'm coming back to have it. And just unexpectedly, I found the festival going on. And you can see another team here also. They're still celebrating. Oh, this is like almost 4 to 5 teams. Of the festival, I celebrated with them.